Are you looking to sell your home? WeBuyHouses.com is the easy way to sell today. Trusted by over 1 million homeowners nationwide, WeBuyHouses.com provides a cash offer program that's clear, simple, and certain. Perfect or a mess, we say yes. Have you heard other cash home buyers talk about no commissions and no closing costs? Why would they even mention it when their offer is 20% or more below current market value? Pointless, right? Unlike any other cash buyer, we're transparent with not only our process, but our price as well. While most traditional sales with a realtor net your current market value less approximately 10% for realtor commission, closing costs, and buyer concessions such as closing cost assistance and required repairs, our clear, simple, and certain program will net you only 5% less with 0% of the stress. So you ask, what do I get for that 5%? Well, you choose your closing date, you perform no repairs, you don't deal with open houses or showings, and there's no financing, appraisal, or home inspection contingencies that can kill your deal at the last minute. Want more? You can even stay in the home beyond closing if you need time in between the sale of your current home and the purchase of your new home, or simply stay in the home to make your move easier. Enjoy a smooth, easy, and predictable experience and avoid the stress of a pressured transaction and move. 5% less, 0% stress. Get your honest offer in 24 to 48 hours. WeBuyHouses.com. Trusted by over 1 million homeowners nationwide. Click or scan to get your cash offer.